Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon, MATIC, and picking up where we left off in the previous Polygon video. Now, at this moment, we do have this consolidation that is going on with Polygon at the moment. Polygon's price is working on trying to get to 92 cents at this moment, trying to also get above this Fibonacci level. But the more key thing is what it's actually trying to do as far as the moving averages go, where if we look over at our moving averages, the 200-day moving average is where the current resistance is that we're working on trying to get above right now. So that's got us right at that Fibonacci level. If we're able to break through that 200-day moving average, then we're more than likely going to be leading into much larger price movements, just like we had done back in the beginning of November, just before the whole FTX fallout had taken the price of Polygon down a bit. But as far as charts go here with Polygon, this is one of the much better cryptocurrency charts that are out there. And that is just because Polygon did not fall into a new 52-week low. It also did not fall out of its wave 2 that it has, where many cryptocurrencies did fall lower within their wave 2, just like what Ethereum did. But looking at things here with Polygon did not do that. The FTX fallout had really only sent the price back to just where it was just before the little price pump that it had leading into the beginning of November. So everything that we see going on right now, the possibility that Polygon could actually be pumping through this 200-day moving average and get a nice run, nice little rally like it had back in the beginning of November, that would be amazing. So when we look at things here within the this wave 3, which is what I'm calling that we're within right now, this wave 3, which has a lot of potential with it. If we were to look at the subwaves within this, we can look at everything as far as this being our first subwave. Then we have come down within our second subwave, and then this is our third subwave at the moment, which will be the one that will make the largest gains within the price, which I think that we could be seeing it going upwards around the possibility within this wave 3 going upwards as high as, say, between the price of $1.65 all the way up to $2 as a possibility. A lot of retracement within that price. I think that it could be seen within this wave 3. And then as far as where things would go within the wave 4 and 5, that's all to be left up in the air. But I think that this wave 3 will have a good run within it. I think that it's going to take us somewhere into 2023, somewhere in the beginning of the year is where it is going to be completing. Now, if we look back at as far as things have gone with Polygon in the past, we look at the price that had led us into that 52-week low that we had in the middle of June, where Polygon's price was around the price of 31 cents at that time, where it had come down within its 52-week low. That had all happened after Polygon had lost the support of $1, which is a very key level of support, and that's what it was also attempting to gain within its first wave that it had. And then after we did pump through that $1 price in this attempt here within this third wave, just for the whole FTX fallout, you can see how much gain Polygon did get within the price. It had managed to actually go all the way up to a price of $1.30. So there's a lot of potential here. After we get over that $1 price, we get over that 200-day moving average. This could be a major level of support that we would need. As you can see, when we look at 2021, Polygon bounced off that $1 price, and that took it all the way up to a price that was near $3, which is where I think it could go within that range within the fifth wave after things do start to make some gains here with Polygon. A lot of potential here. Really great chart, I would say. With everything that has gone on within the crypto market, Polygon has been the one that has really managed to actually come through this and even maintain its price just the week before the whole FTX fallout had happened. It's actually quickly bounced back to that price. Amazing to see such a thing happen within a cryptocurrency. A lot of potential here with Polygon. Now, of course, the biggest thing that is affecting Polygon is more of a DeFi situation, as the whole FTX fallout had really gotten a lot of investors to lose trust within DeFi. So that's taking money out of exchanges and things like that. But Polygon is one that still does have a lot of investor interest, and I think that it's going to be really good with making some gains within its retracement here very soon. Just all a matter of time. All a matter of time to start pumping through those different moving averages. A lot of things to actually be looking forward here with Polygon. Now, as far as throwing out a price prediction, if we were able to pump through that 200-day moving average, which we're right around at right now, create some distance within this, then I think that the recovery here, the retracement that could happen, is that we could be seeing Polygon work its way up, I'd say, by the end of this month, to actually reach this current price zone, to get into this next Fibonacci level and actually get within the price range that it was during the whole FTX fallout, right before the whole FTX fallout, I should say. So somewhere within a price range, say between $1.08 and $1.30 would be an ideal price to be able to reach here within these next couple weeks, in my opinion. So that would be breaking through that 200-day moving average, and then Polygon going right into that next Fibonacci level that we would need to get into, and that would be our best luck within the third subwave within the wave 3 of seeing that it creates some more distance here and continue working its way up. But no guarantees as far as the timeline to complete this wave 3 from this much larger wave impulse. When we would begin to that $1.80 price range, somewhere between that $1.65 $2 price range. Who knows when we're going to be getting into that price range? That could be something that can be well into next year, possibly even closer to the end of the first quarter. So that would take us into possibly the end of the month of March as possible. But anyways, that's the current update. This is how things could possibly be playing out here in the short term. We'll have to see how things play out. Cross our fingers that everything does go to plan here. But I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Where do you think Polygon is going to be within this next 2 weeks? Do you think that we're going to be seeing this retracement from where Polygon was just before the FTX fallout? I would like to know. So that being said, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. I talk about Polygon almost every day, every other day at least, and many other altcoins as well. New content all the time on this channel. Thank you all for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.